students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, probability of solving a specific problem independently by A and B are 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 respectively. If both try to solve the problem, then the probability that the problem has been solved is K by 3. Then value of K will be. So important condition here is problem has been solved. So we have a problem and that has been solved. So probability of problem has been solved. Problem can either be solved by A or B or both of them. So these are the three cases we have. Let's write all the cases. If we have A and B, so in what all cases the problem has been solved? Either if A have solved the problem and B have not solved the problem, if B have solved the problem and A have not solved the problem, and if A have solved the problem and B have solved the problem. In all these three cases, the problem has been solved, correct? So total probability that problem has been solved, will be total probability of these three cases. So let's write these three cases in addition, okay? So in the first case, A has solved the problem and B has not solved the problem. So what is the probability of A solving the problem is 1 by 2. In the same case, B has not solved the problem. So probability of B solving the problem is 1 by 3. So probability of B not solving the problem will be 2 by 3. Correct? So this is our first case. When A has solved the problem and B have not solved the problem. Plus when A have not solved the problem and B have solved the problem. So probability that A have not solved the problem will be 1 by 2 again. And probability that B have solved the problem is 1 by 3. Plus when both of them have solved the problem means probability of A solving the problem is 1 by 2. And probability of B solving the problem is 1 by 3. So this is our total probability and this is given as K by 3. So K by 3 is equals to this will become 2 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6. So this is equals to 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4 by 6, which is equals to 2 by 3. So K by 3 is equals to 2 by 3. Means K by 3 is equals to 2 by 3 implies K is equals to 2. So our final answer will be 2. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.